Hey everyone, AJ here with another episode of SwiftUI for Newbies. And in this episode, we're going to keep this short and sweet. And we're going to learn how to adapt and integrate, not integrate dark mode, adapt for dark mode. Where, in my next episode, I'm going to create like a button that toggles dark mode on and off in one of my future videos. But in this video, we're just going to style your app so that no matter what so that when the user's in light or dark mode, it naturally adapts to it. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's close this preview. I don't want you. Oh, I always click the wrong button. So I'm actually gonna bring this in. Let's increase this for you guys. So right now I have my editor and this simulator, and you have to run the simulator, but I'm gonna put this in a so one thing that I didn't like that Xcode 12 did in the last update is there's no options. I don't know how to embed into, I can't embed into a VStack anymore. Honestly, did they get rid of this plus sign? I don't know if it's a bug with me, but there's nothing. I can't use anything anymore. There's no, I can't search VStacks or anything like that. So anyway, you have to do a lot of it manually lately, and I don't like that. So I'm gonna copy this, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get rid of this, and I'm gonna do a foreground color of dot black, and then I'm gonna come in here. Let's do a frame width of 100, height 100, and build this. You need, okay, perfect. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a background color dot black. Let's build this again. Perfect. And actually, let's make this 150, and let's do corner radius of 40. See how this looks? Command R. And let's bring this down to 75. Cool. So you can't see our text, and our background's black. Okay, so what the heck? All right, so this is what we're gonna do. First and foremost, we have to set some things up. We're gonna go to our assets, and we're gonna come in here. We're gonna go to folder and colors. Let's call this colors, and let's come in here. Let's add a new color set. Text color. Come in here, new color set. Let's call this card color. And for this text color, we're going to, for light mode, it's going to be in white. And for dark mode, what we'll do is, for dark mode, you want to click this card color, come into this hex here, and let's give it a harsh black. Actually, let's give it a nice little 222 black. And then, so this is white. And then what I'm going to do for this text color is the text color actually can stay the same. Oh, no, it can't. We're going to go hex color here, and this is going to be black. Okay? But this on dark appearance is going to be white. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. So all we need to do is come back to our content view. Let's close this. And we're going to do, this is color. It's going to be text color. Okay. And then we're going to do the same thing here. And we're going to do card color. Right? So let's build this. Give it some time. 2, 3 tasks. Perfect. So we have our hello world, right? That looks good. So this is, guys, this is where dark mode comes into play. Now, this is where you can start styling in dark mode, but making sure that these color assets that we created right here are adapting to dark and light mode. So usually would want to do this, put this on like your main page. So on our content view, excuse me, I'm gonna come in here, and where's my code? No, sorry, hold on, let me go over here and design code real quick. He taught me everything. My guy Meng taught me everything. Highly suggest checking him out. Look, he has SwiftUI classes, but he also has a new SwiftUI iOS 14 class, which is insane. Come down here. I just want to grab this one code from dark mode, and it's right here. Okay, so come in here, post that. And what this does, it's saying, all right, SwiftUI, we're going to act like this is in dark mode. We're going to act like this simulator is in dark mode. So this is what happens. Okay. Oh, I lied. I'm an idiot. You got to go to the dark mode app. This is the main view, and you're going to put it in here so that it tells the whole app to be in dark mode. So as you can see, we have a huge problem, right? We can't see the background. Well, that's because our VStack, that's because we have to give our background an actual color. So how we're going to do that is going to embed all this into a ZStack. Okay. And we're going to do a frame max height of dot infinity. Edges all, and we're gonna do what we can do is we can head on over to assets here, and let's see, we can actually give this color, text color. I think we can actually give, text color. I think we can actually give this background color a text color, the same text color properties, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, cool. So this is working now. So then what we have to do is do a dot frame max width dot infinity. If this doesn't work, I do have another idea. Perfect. All right. So we added these two, and then what we did was we unfortunately just took the text color properties background and added to the background color of our ZStack. And inside the ZStack is a VStack, right? So we now have a hello world little text card, I guess looks like button. Could add an on tab gesture. And look, it's in dark mode, right? So what the true test comes if we delete this. And if we delete this, what should happen is this background of this card should turn black, the text should turn white, and the background should turn white. And if that happens, well then our dark mode is set up. And there you guys go. That's it. That's all you have to do. So if you ever want to test dark mode, go ahead and put that environment color scheme dark here, and make sure you got these asset colors hooked up so that they naturally adapt and you're applying them to the right areas, and like this, and SwiftUI will take care of the rest. So it'll automatically detect through the environment property what mode this phone's in. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm going to do even more complex videos maybe around dark mode, but this is very simple, guys, and I think you guys can integrate it into your app, and dark mode's becoming a necessary need for apps today. So I will definitely see you in the next episode. And please comment, like, subscribe, anything you want. I want to hear your voice, but please subscribe. It's what keeps me going. We're growing a lot, guys. We're about to hit 1,000 subscribers. I'm 150 away, so if you guys can help me get there, that'd be great. I can't believe how fast we're going. I started this in middle of July, and it's already September, and we're close to 1,000 followers. So I'm gonna keep doing these videos. Check out more SwiftUI for newbie videos, and I also have a advanced classes, SwiftUI animation, and replicating designs in Dribble as well through SwiftUI. So and that's it. Yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and I will definitely see you in the next one.